JermaineAuNatural. I am Jermaine Ryan, and I am doing some skincare. I'm doing something new. Some of you may have seen advertisements, clips from this company that has actually been around for a couple of years. Who am I talking about? It is Lumin. I went ahead and ordered the 30-day sample pack of the classic line, which comes with the charcoal cleanser, the moisturizing balm, and the exfoliating rub. Now, it just so happens that Material has been using their products. He initially ordered the Dark Circle Defense, and he has graciously allowed me to go ahead and use it. Now, of course, I will have all information for Lumin linked down below, along with any pop-ups that have happened. So Lumin was founded in 2018 by Darwish Ghani and Richard Hung, two entrepreneurs that saw that in the market, there wasn't a real big focus on men's maintaining their skin. There wasn't a whole lot of education for men about actually properly taking care of their skin, so that they traveled countless miles to consult skincare experts in Seoul, which, you know, the people go up for Korean skincare. So I'm gonna try this and see how it works on my skin for the next 30 days. I might go a little bit beyond that. This is gonna be the marker, Saturday, February the 13th, 2021. Here I am, it is day one. I just finished using up my It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm just kind of getting up and getting ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet my face with room temperature lukewarm water. Face nice and wet, along with the neck. Always wash your neck. Very simply says, wet face with lukewarm water. Use a dime-sized amount of the cleanser and lather onto your skin in a circular motion, and then rinse off with lukewarm water. And it does say to pat your face dry, and I am not sure if this is gonna show up well, but here is how it looks. In a dime-sized amount, maybe? So let's... For the ingredients that you are slathering all over your face and rubbing them in. First is water, derived from water. Next is myristic acid, which is a natural ingredient sometimes derived from nutmeg or other plants. What this is going to do for your skin is act as a cleanser, washing away oil. It's also providing some foam. Next, we have butylene glycol, an organic alcohol derived from petroleum. And for your skin, it is going to help to add moisture, and it's also going to give your skin a layer of softness and improved texture. Following up is stearic acid, which is a natural fatty acid. And for your skin, this is going to be another cleanser, washing away oil and dirt. Next in the lineup is potassium hydroxide, also known as lye, L-Y-E. So what it is going to do in this product, it is going to act as a preservative, balance the pH of the preservative, and also act as a cleanser. Though potassium hydroxide has a bit of a sketchy past, because for some, it has been known to cause aggravation to the skin. If it is formulated in high concentration. If not, then you will lessen these chances, but it is generally and overall deemed safe. Glycerin, natural. Moisture. Next is 1,2-hexanediol, which is a synthetic preservative, and it is also a moisture binding humectant. Next we have Cocamide MEA, which is a synthetic ingredient and what's going to give you that nice white foam that you see happening all over my face. Now we enter into some of the more key ingredients, first being the charcoal powder, which is going to help pull out dirt and impurities from pores that cause breakouts and premature aging. Then we have 2 potassium cocoa ingredients derived from coconut that's going to help with cleansing and moisturizing. And then we enter other natural ingredients like shea butter, bergamot oil, and then we enter into another key ingredient, which is the rose flower oil, which is an antiseptic, astringent, and has anti-inflammatory properties. This is going to help prevent and improve breakouts. Next, we have Centella asiatica, which contains compounds that are going to help to repair skin and prevent aging. And from here, you have another slew of natural oils and extracts. That fingertip amount was actually a lot. All right, so let me go ahead, rinse this off, and we'll go to the next step. Whoa. Face is all rinsed. And of course, come the end of this whole 30-day or more experience, I will then talk about what it said, what it did, and if there is anything that I need from it. All right. Exfoliating rub. Now it says that you want to start off with a dry face, which I did go ahead and dry my face. Use a quarter-sized amount to exfoliate and massage into your face until you feel the product balling up, and then rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Kind of a creamy gel type of feel. Oh, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but there are actually tiny, you can see the little micro beads in there, those little yellow spots. Quarter-sized amount, right? Maybe? Okay, so I've rubbed it until it started to bead. I'm not sure if you can see it here on my hands, but it is definitely all over my robe. So let me go ahead and rinse this off, pat dry, and then I'll come back and I will apply the moisturizing balm. My skin actually does feel really soft, very, very smooth. I do have that nice, fresh trim going on though.
Not bad, not bad.
And now to top everything off, the moisturizing balm. So the moisturizing balm, you basically put it on after you've washed your face. Ooh, that's
So creamy.
very creamy. It's got a ropey effect to it also. All right, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna just dab my finger in. So I will say, my skin looks good. Doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel like it's caked on after the moisturizer.
You have beautiful skin.
So I will come back at the end of the day to do a check-in. Now, one thing that I will note is that with the dark circle defense, it does specify that you're supposed to do this before going to sleep, just to dab a little bit underneath the eye where the dark circles are. So far, so good. We'll see how my skin reacts to it though after a long day. At least 8 hours. All right, so I'll be back. Hey, it's me. So this isn't quite the same day update. For when I came home, I had a Zoom birthday party with one of my friends and did not get off of that Zoom until 4:30 that morning. So I am trying it again today, but Sunday, which was technically yesterday, I did get up, I did wash my face, went out today, had to do grocery shopping, kind of the weekend run stuff. It is now, as you can see, 12:55. So when I got up and washed my face to go, it was 2:30. So roughly about 10 and a half hours later. And as you can see, my forehead is, my skin is quite shiny. I actually did not feel the oiliness though. I want to say for at least the first 9 hours, definitely didn't look as shiny as it does now.
My God, you're greasy.
So I'm going to go ahead, wash my face, and then I'm going to show you how the dark circle defense looks and works. Hey, it's me. So every time that I have went to record using the dark circle defense, the camera was never recording. So I am popping in really quickly just to show you what it looks like and how it works. And because I'm currently editing this video, I'm not going any place special. I'm doing it right in front of the computer. So if you can see it, it is a clear gel, and pretty much I just take the tip of my finger, stick it in there, do a little bit on under each eye with index, and take my middle finger and pat it in.
What's up there? The sky?
That's it. Sorry, and I'm doing this on my phone. So, yep, and I pat it all the way around, do a little bit on the top, get where the crow's feet are, and then I follow it up with the balm. So that's my nighttime thing that I do with it. Okay, that's all. Hey, it me. All right, it is March the 2nd. March 2nd, yes? Yes, here was my order today. Washed it, shaved, mama. Went through with the exfoliating rub, followed up with the moisturizer. So here is how my skin is looking.
Mary?
So it is, what time is it? What time did I say? It's 10:20. I will check in later tonight. All right, I'll see you later. Hey, it me. It is, is the clock gonna show there? It is 1:37 in the morning. And just doing a check-in to show you what my skin looks like. Not bad at all. It's actually just a nice healthy sheen, which is actually pretty good. It's not bad at all. So I'm getting ready to wash my face and go to bed. Good. It's good. Hey, it me. I'm finally following up with the Lumin skincare for the premium man or the classic man. I started this in February. It is April the 14th. If you have been keeping up with me, then you'll know why. It's now 2 months, but this now gives a nice long and extended trial and error and just really testing out the product. So let's start with the charcoal cleanser. So let's talk about what it said, what it did, and if there's anything that I need from it. So the charcoal cleanser says that it is going to safely and effectively remove gunky oil, excess oil, dead skin, pollution, dirt buildup, and clogged pores. It says that it's going to leave your skin as clean as a pair of fresh kicks. For someone that has very, very oily skin,
Greasy.
this did everything that it said that it was going to do. When I washed my face with it, my face did not feel overly stripped. It did not feel dried out or anything like that. I used it twice a day. There were some days that I only used it once a day. Very few. It did everything that it said that it was going to do. I am actually freshly out of this. This lasted me almost the full 2 months. On to the exfoliating rub. It's going to help with skin damage, help with acne scarring. It says that it's going to prevent post-shaving irritation, and it's going to reduce the appearance of any old scars. And it also says that it's going to help with dark spots and uneven skin tones. Again, another thing that I've used all the way down. This exfoliating rub is interesting. What I've found is that it doesn't overstrip your skin. There are tiny beads in it, but they're very fine, so you don't really feel like it's not scraping or causing micro abrasions on your skin. Wash my face with the charcoal cleanser, right? Follow it up with this, which I only use 2 times a week. And after I would rinse this off, I would have like a slight glow on my face.
Washed and buffed. Oh, that's very different.
It adds a tiny bit of moisture to your skin, which I definitely did appreciate with it. I think it did everything that it said that it was going to do. What stands out about it the most to me is the feeling after shaving and that soothing that you get after you do a shave on your skin. Next is the Moisturizing Balm. It says that it is built to target dullness and dryness, and that your face will feel more hydrated and look more refreshed than ever. Yeah, more fresh than ever. It says that it's also going to help with sun damage. It is going to help with oil regulation, and it's going to help with weak skin barriers. So, as mentioned, oily. Okay, you can fill up your gas tank with the oil that my skin produces. Well, what else? You can fry some fish or chicken with the amount of oil that my skin just very, very naturally produces.
Greasy.
To kind of give you an idea, this did everything. So number one, it is very, very lightweight. It is not heavy at all. I hate to say this. A little goes a long way. I just don't like it because everyone says it. But it is true. You don't need a lot. As I said, 2 months. I still have, if that is gonna show, a corner. I can, you know, pinky nail it. I can wear this all day without feeling that heavy oily feeling. I washed my face today at around 11:30. It is now 6:05. And my face has, as you can see, a very, very nice sheen to it. I'm so impressed with this moisturizer.
It's everything.
I can't use a whole lot of stuff on my skin that's gonna actually control the oil. This does such a phenomenal job. I really, really like it. And if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, JermaineAuNatural, in every selfie that you may see, or if you see any of my stories, you'll see, you know, the days where I have like a really nice sheen, like if it's been a long day. Sometimes the skin can be described as looking dewy, almost like you just like did like a refreshing mist on your face just to kind of, you know, make yourself look bright and brand new. I need nothing from it, and it lasts such a long time. Next is the Dark Circle Defense. So according to the website, it says that it is perfect with assisting against under eye darkness, wrinkles, and puffiness. It also says that it's gonna help with crow's feet, and it also is gonna help with fine lines. I can't really tell. I can't really tell if it's made a difference with the darkness underneath my eyes. It's because I see this mug all day long, every day. I will leave that up to you all. Let me know if looking at the beginning of the video, how it looks now, does it look like it's any lighter underneath here? It's a combination of genetics and also the fact that sometimes I don't go to bed till 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning doing absolutely nothing or just editing. I will say though that it has helped with fine lines. So that is an improvement that I have noticed. I just can't tell the darkness. As it is 2 months later, and as I have used it and have seen that yes, the products are doing everything that they said that they were gonna do, I did go ahead and let the subscription renew. So I went ahead and got the So I now have the bigger sizes. I think a big test for me too will be to see how these work, see how everything works when it gets a little bit warmer and you incorporate sweat into it also. So again, here is my skin after 2 months of using the Lumin.
So smooth and flexible. Amazing the way it just snaps back like that.
I liked it. I would definitely recommend, you know, clicking on the trial, picking the things that you want and just testing them out for that amount of time and seeing if they work for you. So of course, all information along with all pop-up videos will be linked down below for you to look at after this video. Let me know in the comment sections. Number 1, do you notice a difference with darkness underneath my eyes? Let me kind of not be extra faced. So do you notice a difference? And then 2, have you used any of the Lumin skin products? Do they do everything for you that they said that they were gonna do? Let me know down below in the comments. All right, like the video. Punch subscribe, it's right there. More reviews to come. Feel free to share this out as someone else may want to know how the Lumin skincare for the premium classic man may work. Punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast of when I post my videos. And again, thank you for tuning into JermaineAuNatural, and I'll see you in the next one.